is a big issue. How do we manage it successfully? An amazing question that we got from Money Matters 2024. So if you are aware and you missed Money Matters 2024, there's a link in the description of this video. You can always get the replay. Dr. Olumide and I did an amazing job on how to build wealth, make money, and manage your money very, very well. So I'm pumped up. Okay, so when it comes to manpower, the first thing I would recommend is that you have a training on leadership and management. You need to learn how to manage people and how to lead people. If that is checked, then the next thing is to start where you are. So I'll give you two examples. When I started my own company, I could only afford to pay myself. And when I started pushing up, I remember that my first staff was a graphics designer. And I was paying my graphics designer then, in 2016, I was paying him 25,000 naira. Now, 3 months after, I could afford to get another person who came in as a social media manager. And that is how the company has grown since then to where it is right here today. So you must understand that you have to start where you are with what you have and what you can start paying. Now, a lot of time there is always a glitch with what the person can pay, what you want to pay, and what the people that you want are willing to take. So it means that, for example, there's currently a graphics designer who cannot take less than 500,000 naira as salary right now. There are also graphics designers who can take as low as 50,000 naira right now. You don't need to go to people who can take less. You have to start with where you are and grow. So right now, I could pay a graphics designer 80,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 100,000 naira, but I started with 25,000 naira. So you must start with what you have and grow gradually.
Are you feeling stuck and overwhelmed by financial challenges and unsure of how to scale your business to a new heights? The Money and Business Growth Package is a comprehensive solution designed to turn your aspiration into a reality. Get access to our exclusive courses on money and business, which include Money Mindset, Skills to Make Money in This Century, Money Capsule Series, Habits to Build Wealth, Know, Like, and Trust Model Concept of Sales, and lots more. Call 0904 999 0004 or 0904 999 0005 to get started.
So when it comes to management, you also now need to put in, after you've settled with the team, then you have to now put in a structure and a system. Now you need a structure because everybody wants to now know who I am reporting to and what I am doing as a system. So it means, for example, if it is a graphics designer, the graphics designer need to know what he's going to be doing every single day. So one of the things that has helped us in Mayowa Owolabi company is that we have what is called standard of operation, SOP, or standard of procedure, which allows us to know if a staff is working or not. If the staff is not working, allow the staff to go. But when it comes to management, you have to put in structure that can allow you to know the deliverables of that particular team and how the particular team will also be relating. That is a reporting structure. So this is a bit broad, but you must know that it is doable and we're already doing it. Now, when it also comes to salary increment, you can also put in a grade. Like when we first started in Mayowa Owolabi company, we never had a company structure or a company grade. But as we begin to grow, we now have to bring in a a promotional, a staff grading system, which means that everybody that comes in will come in at each level. So some staffs came in at the entry level, some staffs came in with their experience. So when people come in with their experience, you have to pay them more. For example, the man behind the video, he came in with experience. So we can't give him an entry level. We have to give him a team lead level, a team lead level, so that he can meet up with our salary structure, and we can also bring him on board with the experience that he has. So these are some of the things that you have to put in place. Then I also recommend, because when it comes to human capital, I also recommend you have an HR consultant that works with you, or a business management consultant that works with you, that has an experience in HR and consulting. What that does is that these people will be able to put in staff structure for you and periodic training. For example, the people that consult for us, they come in and train us. They train all my team every month, like twice a month or once a month. And when they come in like that, they train them on business structure, business delivery, and several other parts of businesses that will help the company move forward. So put in structure, okay? Put in system. Be a leader that can communicate the vision to your team, and you're going to be good to go. I hope I've been able to answer your question, and I'll see you in the next episode.